Create a new document. My artboard is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Create a shape. I make a star, but you can also use a different shape. Select no color for the fill. And pick a stroke color. I use a stroke weight of 5. Create a dashed line. Pick a dash and gap that suits your shape. I align the dashes to corners and path ends. Go to Edit. Copy. Go to Edit. Paste in front. Select the selection tool. Press Alt plus Shift and make the shape smaller. Select both shapes. Go to Object. Blend. Make. Go to Object. Blend. Blend options. Select specified steps. I use an amount of 1000. And that's how you create this striped shape.